In this lesson, I will explain to you how to find out the number of outcomes in compound events. So first I will explain to you the definition of compound events. So compound events are when two or more things are happening at once. When two or more events are happening at once. Right? I will give you few examples to understand the compound events. Suppose you pick four numbers and two letters. And the four numbers are, suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can pick any number. And two letters A and B. But you can pick whatever you like, right? So in this example, we have picked four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and two letters A and B. The question is how many outcomes are possible. So see, these are two events, compound events, and we have to find out how many outcomes are possible. So the first event has four outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second event has two outcomes, A and B. So we will make the tree diagram. So this is the tree diagram. Here this is letter A because we have picked two letters, and this is letter B. And the second event is four numbers. So see 1, 2, 3, 4 with B 1, 2, 3, 4. Now maybe you will pick A and 1, A and 2, A and 3, A and 4, or maybe you will pick B and 1, B2, B3, B4. So then we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 possible outcomes, right? So there are 8 possible outcomes and 8 branches. Second question is, suppose pick three numbers, any three number, and roll a die. So see, this is the compound event. Roll a die. So there are 6 numbers in a die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to pick three numbers, any number. I just picked 1, 2, 3, right? And the same thing, how many outcomes are possible? So first we have to arrange. See, we have three numbers, 1, 2, 3. And each number has 6 possible outcomes because die has 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 2, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 3, same thing. So maybe you will pick 1 and 1. Maybe you will pick 1 and 2. Maybe 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. Similarly, maybe we will pick 2 and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. With the number 3, same thing, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So this is the tree diagram. And at the end, we will count it. So each has 6 possible outcomes and we have 3 numbers. So 18 possible outcomes. Right, so I think it is clear, compound event. If you have any question, please write down in the comments section. And again, please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching it.